Imagine walking outside with no foundation, no serums, chemical treatments, or a luxury skin secret ingredient that can transform your skin overnight. People stop you and ask, "What foundation do you use?" And when you tell them you're not wearing any, their jaws drop. That's the magic of glass skin. It's the kind of poreless, radiant, and smooth complexion that looks so naturally flawless it appears almost translucent, like glass. But here's the truth that the beauty industry doesn't want you to know. You don't need expensive serums, chemical treatments, or luxury skincare products to achieve this. In fact, Korean women have been using powerful natural remedies for centuries to achieve glass skin, without spending hundreds of dollars. And today, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can get glass skin in just 7 days using simple but highly effective Korean home remedies that have been passed down for generations. I'll be sharing 5 incredibly powerful DIY skincare recipes, a step-by-step glass skin routine, and 1 secret ingredient that can transform your skin overnight. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll also expose the biggest skincare mistakes that are ruining your glow, mistakes you might be making right now. Welcome to Infinite Infotainment, where we uncover hidden beauty secrets and shocking skincare truths. If you're ready to finally achieve your most radiant, flawless skin ever without breaking the bank, then keep watching. Achieving glass skin isn't just about applying product. Without proper hydration, skin appears dull, flaky, and UV rays, which cause premature aging and dullness. At the core of glass skin is the stratum corneum, the outermost layer of the skin, which determines how smooth, hydrated, and radiant your complexion appears. One of the most critical factors in glass skin is hydration. When the stratum corneum is well hydrated, it plumps up skin cells, fills in fine lines, and creates a smooth, light-reflecting surface. Without proper hydration, skin appears dull, flaky, and textured, preventing that glass-like glow. Another essential process is cell turnover. As dead skin cells accumulate, they create an uneven, rough texture which blocks light from reflecting evenly. By incorporating gentle exfoliation using AHAs, BHAs, or natural enzymes, you reveal fresh new skin that looks brighter, softer, and more uniform. A strong skin barrier is also key to locking in moisture and keeping out environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays, which cause premature aging and dullness. Boosting collagen production further enhances skin elasticity, smoothness, and firmness, preventing sagging and enlarged pores. Finally, reducing inflammation ensures your skin remains calm, even-toned, and free from redness or puffiness, allowing that pure, translucent glow to shine through. By addressing each of these scientific principles, your skincare routine will work synergistically with your skin's natural biology, paving the way for a flawless, poreless glass skin effect. Before diving into the specific DIY recipes, this ensures your skin stays deeply hydrated. Plump care secrets used for centuries in Korean and Jap DIY treatments that rival luxury skincare products. Their ability to hydrate, brighten, and refine the skin, helping you achieve that luminous, mirror-like glow without relying on expensive products. One of the most important ingredients is hyaluronic acid, a powerful moisture magnet that holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water. This ensures your skin stays deeply hydrated, plump, and dewy, creating the perfect smooth base for light reflection. Vitamin C is another powerhouse, an antioxidant that brightens the skin, fades dark spots, and boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm, youthful, and radiant. Paired with niacinamide, which helps to shrink pores, regulate oil production, and even out skin texture, these 2 ingredients work together to create a visibly smoother and more refined complexion. Green tea and rice water are ancient skincare secrets used for centuries in Korean and Japanese beauty routines. Green tea is packed with anti-inflammatory polyphenols, soothing the skin and protecting it from environmental stressors, while rice water is rich in vitamins and minerals that brighten, soften, and refine texture. Other natural wonders like honey, aloe vera, and rosehip oil work as hydrating, healing, and skin-renewing agents, ensuring glass skin isn't just a temporary effect, but a long-term transformation. By combining these potent ingredients, you can create DIY treatments that rival luxury skincare products, giving your skin everything it needs to achieve that poreless, glowing perfection naturally. Without any further ado, let's dive into the 5 effective DIY glass skin recipes. Hydrating hyaluronic acid serum, your secret to combining it with glycerin, another moisture-attracting agent, to a smooth, radiant canvas that glows from within. A game changer. Packed with moisture-binding ingredients, this serum plumps the skin, smooths fine lines, and creates that dewy, luminous glow essential for a flawless complexion. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant, capable of holding 1,000 times its weight in water, ensuring that your skin remains hydrated and supple throughout the day. By combining it with glycerin, another moisture-attracting agent, this serum helps lock in hydration, preventing dryness and maintaining a soft, youthful texture. Vitamin E oil adds antioxidant protection, shielding the skin from environmental damage and premature aging. When applied to damp skin, this serum absorbs deeply, enhancing elasticity and promoting a fresh, plump appearance. Use this lightweight, fast-absorbing serum morning and night, and watch your skin transform into a smooth, radiant canvas that glows from within, just like true glass skin. Brightening Vitamin C Mask. Unlock radiant, even exfoliates and brightens. It smooths texture and refines. DIY Brightening Vitamin C Mask is your ultimate solution. Designed to fade dark spots, even out skin tone, and boost collagen production, this powerful combination of natural ingredients will leave your complexion looking fresh, youthful, and illuminated. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps fight free radicals, reduce hyperpigmentation, and enhance skin's natural radiance. When paired with rice flour, which gently exfoliates and brightens, it smooths texture and refines pores, creating that soft, porcelain-like glow. Honey acts as a hydrating and antibacterial agent, keeping skin moisturized and clear, while green tea calms inflammation and adds extra antioxidant protection against environmental stressors. Apply this silky, nutrient-rich mask once or twice a week, and watch your skin become brighter, smoother, and beautifully even-toned, one step closer to achieving the flawless, poreless, glass skin effect. Rice-based face mask. The ancient Korean beauty secret: cooked rice and rinsing it at least 3 times to remove. Blend until you achieve a thick, creamy, flawless complexions of Korea's royal women from the chosen. This rice-based face mask harnesses the power of antioxidants, amino acids, and essential minerals to soften, hydrate, and refine the skin's texture, making it a must-have in any glass skin routine. To create this luxuriously creamy and nutrient-rich mask, start by taking half a cup of uncooked rice and rinsing it at least 3 times to remove excess starch and impurities. This step ensures that your mask remains gentle and non-irritating for your skin. Next, add 1 cup of water and cook the rice over low heat until it becomes soft and mushy. You'll know it's ready when the grains start to break apart easily. Once cooked, remove from heat and allow it to cool to room temperature. To transform it into a smooth, nourishing paste, place the cooled rice into a blender, adding 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of honey. Blend until you achieve a thick, creamy consistency that spreads effortlessly onto the skin. Apply a thin, even layer of the mask, letting it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. But don't leave it on for too long, as it may start to dry out and pull moisture from your skin. Rinse with lukewarm water, gently massaging in circular motions for a mild, exfoliating effect. With regular use, this age-old beauty secret will leave your skin brighter, deeply moisturized, and incredibly soft. Just like the flawless complexions of Korea's royal women from the Chosen dynasty. Nourishing and exfoliating overnight mask. The ultimate exfoliating scrub. Take 2 tablespoons of skin cells without irritating your skin. Let it sit for essential oil for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties. Skin to ensure a smooth, even texture and a radiant glow. This 2-in-1 overnight treatment combines the skin-repairing benefits of an overnight mask with the gentle exfoliation of a Korean-style facial scrub, making it the perfect remedy for dull, rough, or tired skin. To start, let's prepare the exfoliating scrub. Take 2 tablespoons of finely ground oats, a gentle exfoliant rich in antioxidants and soothing properties, and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey to create a hydrating base. Add 1 teaspoon of Greek yogurt, which contains lactic acid to dissolve dead skin cells, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to boost circulation and collagen production. Mix well until you get a smooth, slightly grainy paste. Apply the scrub to damp skin, and massage in circular motions for about a minute to buff away dead skin cells without irritating your skin. Let it sit for 5 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water, revealing a soft, refreshed complexion ready to absorb nourishment. Now that your skin is exfoliated and prepped, it's time to lock in hydration and repair the skin overnight with a deeply nourishing overnight mask. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 3 drops of rosehip oil, a powerful skin-rejuvenating ingredient packed with vitamin A and essential fatty acids. Add 2 drops of lavender essential oil for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties. Apply a thin layer to your face before bed. allowing the mask to work overnight to soothe irritation, repair damage, and infuse your skin with moisture. By morning, your skin will feel incredibly soft, plump, and glowing, perfectly prepped for the day ahead. Use this dual treatment 2 to 3 times a week, and watch your skin transform into a smooth, radiant, and hydrated masterpiece, just like the coveted glass skin of Korean beauty icons. Pore Refining Niacinamide Toner, the ultimate skin brightening and hydration, leaving behind a soft, last but certainly not least in our glass skin, DIY routine is this Pore Refining Niacinamide Toner, designed to shrink pores, control oil, and calm inflammation. The star ingredient, niacinamide, is a powerful form of vitamin B3 that works to tighten pores, regulate sebum production, and improve overall skin texture. When combined with rice water, a centuries-old Korean beauty secret, it enhances skin brightening and hydration, leaving behind a soft, refined complexion. Green tea adds a boost of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce redness and breakouts, while tea tree oil provides antibacterial benefits, keeping blemishes at bay. Shake well before each use and apply morning and night after cleansing. With consistent use, this toner will help create a smooth, even-toned, and virtually poreless look, bringing you one step closer to the flawless glass skin effect. Achieving glass skin is more than just a 7-day. Skincare products like toners and serums locks in efforts. Always apply broad-spectrum sunscreen to prevent. Finally, be mindful of seasonal skincare. Poreless complexion requires consistent care, both inside and out. One of the most important habits is staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day ensures that your skin stays plump and elastic, preventing dryness and premature aging. But hydration isn't just internal. Layering hydrating skincare products like toners and serums locks in moisture for a dewy glass-like finish. Consistency is also key. A skincare routine only works if you stick to it daily. Skipping steps, especially cleansing, moisturizing, and SPF, can disrupt your progress, making it harder to maintain that smooth, reflective glow. Speaking of SPF, sun protection is non-negotiable. Even on cloudy days, UV rays can cause premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and loss of collagen, undoing all your skincare efforts. Always apply broad-spectrum sunscreen to preserve your skin's youthful appearance. Prioritizing sleep and stress management is just as crucial. Your skin repairs itself overnight, so getting 7 to 9 hours of quality rest helps prevent dullness, puffiness, and breakouts. Meanwhile, stress triggers inflammation and acne, so practice relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to keep your skin and mind calm. A balanced diet rich in antioxidants, omega-3s, and vitamins will enhance your glow from within. Finally, be mindful of seasonal skincare adjustments. Your skin needs extra hydration in winter and lightweight products in summer. With gentle exfoliation, a no-touch policy, and lukewarm cleansing, your glass skin glow will last for years to come. Achieving glass skin requires patience, consistency, and the right approach. However, many people unknowingly make mistakes that your skincare routine is. UV damage can undo everything. Skin should extend beyond just your face, so be sure to apply poreless complexion faster and more effectively. One of the biggest mistakes is over-exfoliating. While removing dead skin cells is essential for a smooth, even texture, doing it too often weakens your skin barrier, causing redness, irritation, and breakouts. Stick to once or twice a week for gentle exfoliation. Another major mistake? Skipping sunscreen. No matter how perfect your skincare routine is, UV damage can undo everything, leading to premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and dullness. A broad-spectrum SPF is essential every single day. Using harsh cleansers is another common mistake. Stripping your skin with overly drying cleansers can disrupt its natural moisture balance, leading to dehydration, excess oil production, and inflammation. Always opt for a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser. Neglecting your neck and décolletage is another overlooked mistake. Glass skin should extend beyond just your face, so be sure to apply serums, moisturizers, and sunscreen to these areas. Perhaps the most frustrating mistake? Expecting overnight results. Achieving glass skin takes at least 4 to 6 weeks of consistent care. Finally, touching your face too often, skipping patch tests for new products, and ignoring internal health like hydration, diet, and sleep can all sabotage your glow. By avoiding these skincare mistakes, you'll be one step closer to achieving that radiant, flawless glass skin look. In conclusion, while the glass skin trend has its merit, skin, why not begin with one of our DIY? It's important to keep perspective. Your skin is a reflection of your overall health, lifestyle, and genetics. By focusing on nourishing your skin from the inside out, staying consistent with a suitable skincare routine, and embracing your natural beauty, you'll achieve a glow that goes beyond any trend, a glow that's uniquely, beautifully you. Ready to start your journey to radiant healthy skin? Why not begin with one of our DIY glass skin recipes today? Remember, consistency is key, so commit to your new routine and watch your skin transform over the next few weeks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your progress and experiences in the comments below. Your story might just inspire someone else on their skincare journey. Thanks for watching.